Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I will guide you through how to change the default join method in the Zoom app on your Android phone. This setting helps you decide how you connect to Zoom meetings, whether by phone, room, or asking every time. Let's get started. Open the Zoom app on your Android phone. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on More. From the menu that appears, select Meetings. After that, scroll down until you find the Default Join Method option. Now, tap on Default Join Method to see the available choices. You can then choose between Ask Every Time, Join from Room Only, Join from Phone Only, or Join from Room and as Companion. Finally, select the option that best fits your needs, and your default join method will be updated. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to change the default join method in Zoom for Android. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and updates about Zoom and other apps.